Morning, guys.
Morning.
So here we are. Oh, can't see. New adventure.
Day
We're
one.
in a different country. Let's have a look. Is it hot? Look at what we're wearing. No, it's definitely not a hot country.
Well, not this time of year, it's not.
Not this time of year.
Well, my daughter's down there.
So we're actually in Vilnius, Lithuania now, aren't
Yeah.
we? We've got today, tomorrow, then we go to Kaunas on Tuesday.
And luckily enough, train station's just there.
Yeah, train station's just across the road. Straight into Kaunas. An hour and a half ride, is it?
Yeah. It comes to about 16 quid.
£16. So let's head out and see what we can find in Vilnius.
Explore Vilnius.
Explore Vilnius. Yeah. Here we are. See? We're out and about. It's not actually that cold, is it? It's not as cold as we thought it was going to be.
It's our first day.
Our first day.
We don't know
I know.
actually where we're going to.
Look at the cool draw artwork on there, the wall.
Cross
So,
over here.
let's see what's here. Gates of Dawn, Historical Centre, Railway Station. Where are we going?
Cross over and walk down that way.
Walk down the way we came last night?
Yeah.
Okay, don't have to wait for the green man.
Right.
Didn't expect seeing these when we turned around the corner, did we?
No?
Just casually walking along, there's all different art, so we'll just have a look at it. There's another one. Do you know, Stephen, I bet in summer it's lovely around here because there's all these little coffee shops.
Seats.
All them seats over there for sitting on, benches everywhere. I think this is a museum, this, Stephen.
Alright, yeah, because walk back round that way.
Yeah, walk that round. Don't need to go up to the barrel, do we?
No, you can walk up to the barrel if you don't walk up to the barrel.
No, I'm fine. We might.
Sure.
We can do.
Oh, look at the barrel.
Let's have a look at the barrel. We're climbing the steps
I
for.
don't know, what is it?
I've not a clue what it is.
Hang on, there's a path going through it here.
Let's have a look.
Oh, nothing. Just a barrel.
It's just... I don't know. Not a clue what it is.
Modern art.
Must be modern art.
Which way are we going?
I've not a clue.
Let's go on an adventure.
Let's go and explore. Let's have a look round here. There we go, it's ticking now.
Alright, you know. Do we climb that hill or not?
Right, we're on a quest, aren't we?
What are they called?
Well, this is the third Baltic state we've been to,
Oh,
isn't
yes.
it? And we're looking for the Baltic Way footprints. Seen them in Tallinn, Riga, and we have to find them here. So I know they're around here somewhere near the bell tower. That's the bell tower there. So
we'll
let's go, Stephen. Let's go and see.
Do we climb the hill or not?
That hill?
Yeah, let's climb up the hill.
Oh, then we might do. We might do. Let's see how we feel.
Might try the hill.
Let's see how we feel. It might be a funicular.
Let's look around here.
Let's have a look for the footprints. There's a statue
nice.
there. I don't know what it is.
Well, this is Sunday morning.
Yeah, Sunday morning in Vilnius. It's just been snowing a little bit. But
In February.
yeah, in February. Still got the Christmas trees up everywhere.
Yeah. It's quiet too.
Yeah, it is. It's very quiet. Let's go and look for these footprints, Stephen.
Yes. Oh, that...
There we go. There's the bell tower.
Yeah.
So it's round here somewhere. No, coming out of church, yeah. Don't think we'll light our candles today. We're busy. Look at these statues on here.
Oh, they're cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
Go way long too, those.
Yeah. Even not ceiling. I've spotted them.
I found them.
You lie, I
found them here, they're here.
There you go. That's the third one.
Done.
All done, ticked off now.
That's in the street.
Oh yeah, I'm sure we went down there.
I'm sure.
Should we have a look round? That's nice. Nice building. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, river's there, see.
Right, Stephen, I'm going to attempt to walk up there, see what it is.
People up there.
Yeah, I'm intrigued now to see what it is up there.
It's a big climb.
It's fine, we've got all day.
It's 10 o'clock.
I know, yeah. We've been walking for ages. Just come out.
Exploring.
Yeah, exploring. They're going through that doorway there.
Yeah, where are they going though?
I don't know.
They're not going to work. They're walking down here.
Yeah, but not the building here. I'll get him up there.
Yeah.
I will.
There's no path this side.
No, just keep looking. No, we've got just our luck. The funicular's out of service.
It's just there, too.
It's just there. It's okay, we'll use the stairs. It says.
Look at the stairs, there's actually them stairs, Alison. I don't think they're safe to use them stairs.
I think you'll find they are, Stephen.
I don't think they're safe to use them stairs.
Oh, look, the king there. Not what this place is. It's like a little courtyard.
Full of snow.
Full of snow.
Yeah, I think those steps there
Yeah.
are not safe to use in this weather.
Well, we'll go and investigate, should we? Let's see who this guy is, should we?
Yeah.
He is Vytautas the Great, the Grand Duke of Lithuania. So he was the Grand Duke, not the Grand Old Duke of York.
No.
The Grand Old Duke of Lithuania.
Right, so we've come to go these stairs.
Yes.
But unfortunately, let's look around where we go. Round here somewhere. Oh no! No entrance. I think it's closed, Alison. No, I think it says no entrance, it's closed. Are you sure? There are people walking up it.
I can't do my run today, so it takes 5k, so I can class that as
What, the steps?
takes 5k, I'm sure.
It's steep though.
Come on, got me lazy.
There are people walking up it.
Come on, lazy.
Okay, let's do it.
If you're going up there, there's no toilets. Should we do this, Stephen?
I think it's steep.
Come on, let's do it.
Are you
Let's see if
sure?
we can make it.
Are you sure?
We'll give it a go. I'm intrigued to see what it is up there.
Well, I've started now, so let's go.
Let's go. There's a fancy manhole cover for Ken.
Look at my manhole cover, yeah. Great. I've only walked there, but it's steep.
It is.
There's more steps here.
These are wooden steps, these.
Yeah, but this is, we're walking here. Cobbles.
I know it's hard work, these.
Is that work? Ain't much easy on these steps, I don't think. Yeah, let people down first. Oh, so look at the view.
Views.
Television tower's over there.
Look at that over there.
What?
That looks nice.
It's church.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't see on GoPro, like, I don't think.
Nice
Rivers.
colours.
River's just down there.
It's frozen river.
Then after here, after we're going to where?
3 crosses on a hill.
3 crosses on a hill.
Yes. I don't know what that's that way.
So that's going to be uphill as well, isn't it?
I presume so. Just get on the hills out the way today.
Right, here we go, let's go up to the top. Yeah, made it.
My legs are on fire.
It's not a long way, it's just steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a long way up here. It's just...
Steps.
Right.
We'll go see what this is now.
Yeah.
Look at the views.
I can get a drink up here, something. What else can you get? I'll get crisps.
Huh?
Coffees, €1.50.
But when we come back down, then I might have a coffee.
Extra large. Oh, we'll go to a cafe, can't we?
Oh, we have to go to 3 hills, yeah. 3 crosses on a hill.
Yeah. Let's see what's up here, shall
But it's out of service anyway. So
we? Is it? So
no water, please check.
no water.
Difficult.
Come on, let's go up here then, have a look. What's these things here, Alison? What's this? Let's have a look. Oh, a bit breezy too up here. Yes. Right, what does it do?
Yeah, there.
Do you?
Well, there's a card scanner there.
Oh, what's
see?
this here?
Oh, shit.
Oh, it turns round.
Yeah, but you have to...
It moves.
What are they?
Don't know.
I think you have to pay, you know.
There's a card reader down there, isn't there?
Yeah.
It turns
And
round.
there's
So
nothing to say.
looks like a telescope or a viewing thing.
It must be. It's got a tick on it.
Yeah. Right, let's continue on.
Don't even know what it is that.
No.
Let's go and have a look up there. Right, the museum is free of charge.
Right, well the castle,
€8.
adults €8, yeah. And groups.
Oh, it's open. Have a look. So we'll come inside the tower.
You've got to get tickets, but they're free.
It's free today, she said.
It's free anyway, so it's not free. So this is the museum.
Look at the window. It's warm in here.
Yeah, is it just this area?
I don't know. Must be.
It's warm anyway.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. What's that? What's it on here? It's like a silver skunk or something. Cheers. Oh, good grief.
Oh, what can you see from there?
Just the same as you can see outside.
It's the opposite side.
Them lads are there what's just walked up.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, see crosses here, also.
Huh?
See crosses here.
Can you?
Yeah. It's on that side.
Oh yeah. Well, that's where we're heading next, the 3 crosses on the hill.
Yeah. Careful. Come on.
What was recording then?
Huh?
Oh, I don't like spiral staircases.
Staircases, you want forever, don't they?
More stairs and more stairs.
So this part of Museum Mountains for the Baltic chain.
Join hands.
Join hands there. So it went from Tallinn, Estonia, all the way down through Latvia and into Lithuania.
Yeah.
It finished here. Look at the photographs there. The footprints we saw. All across, all over a continuous line of people.
That's the
Freedom.
footprints we were looking for.
Freedom to Estonia. Oh, look. Yeah. And there's some more steps yet. It keeps going up yet. What's the next one? What's the next exhibition? Oh, it's there, see. That's the land there, see. Yeah, on the map. See, it started there, Tallinn, Estonia,
all the way through
to Riga.
Vilnius.
How far does it say there? You see how long it was?
I'm just thinking. 200 kilometres. Oh.
No, 100.
No, Lithuania was assigned 200 kilometre section.
Yeah. Right, next level. After you. Are we on the roof now? I think I'm going to the roof now, aren't we?
Way up now. There's a light flashing here.
Is there? Oh, carry on.
Made it.
Right, made it to the top.
Made it to the top.
Go on to the edge.
No.
Go on to the edge. Want your views, don't you? So we're heading there next. So more hills, more walking up hills.
Yeah.
We've got to walk down this one yet. It's going to be hard walking down, I think.
I know, yeah, trying to keep ourselves upright.
Yeah.
Well, if we fall, we'll just slide down on our bum.
There's a big old slide down there. That's... Which way's the old town then, would you say? That way, there.
Where did we come?
Well, that's the new town over there.
Yeah, can't see any landmarks.
The church is there.
Yeah, there's churches everywhere.
There is, I suppose, so yeah. We head, I don't know. We'll go up there first and navigate our way back that way into the old town. It's not a bad view, is it?
No, it's nice. Standing with a gap. You can't see it on here, I don't think.
So apparently before it was €8 to go in, and
it's free today.
It's free today. So we've saved ourselves €16 there. We like free, don't we, Alison?
Oh, we love free.
We love free.
Yeah. Right, we're gonna head to
We're heading up here first. Think up here?
Okay.
Well, we're up here, so we may as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, you've seen it all from up there anyway, but we'll still do down here. Oh, you see the crosses then up here. Is that a viewing area? Oh, like. Oh, my.
better views up there.
Oh yeah, you're higher up, aren't you?
Yeah.
So that's we've just been at the top of that tower there.
That's what we thought, yeah.
Them stairs are hard work though, on this spiral staircase.
Yes, I don't like spiral
The last spiral staircase is here.
No.
But you did it.
I did.
Right to the top as well.
Yes.
Let's continue on up here.
Here we go, we think we're going up there, don't we?
Yeah, another hill.
We're already on a
And he's
steep
running up the
hill.
hill.
He's running up it.
Oh.
Crazy.
So the steps.
Crazy, man.
Crazy.
There's a sign here, so we'll see what this sign says
And
when
the
we get
steps
to it.
there.
And steps. More steps.
More steps. Up more hills. Amphitheatre that way.
Is it? So this is the way to the 3 crosses.
Yeah.
Up all them stairs. Let's do it, Stephen.
Yeah, okay.
See what's up there. See what it's like up there.
Around as well.
Yeah.
Right, we're almost there now. 3 Crosses Monument. Top of this hill.
More steps.
More steps. Hang on. So that's 3 Crosses Monument. We're not there yet.
Vilnius Upper Castle that way.
Vilnius Upper Castle. I can't speak. More steps, more hills. Alison, that's last of the hills today, isn't it?
What?
No more hills today.
Oh God, no.
No.
No. That's it. I'm all hilled out.
Almost there though. Right, and we've made it. 3 crosses on the hill. There she is. Get your breath back. Go down and get a coffee or a drink of something. I need something. Is it worth it? Let's have a look. Let's see. Is it worth it? Yeah? 3 crosses on the hill, and there you have it. But it's a steep climb.
Yeah.
But worth it. Alison?
Yeah, I
Worth
think
it?
it was. That's how we've done it now.
Yeah, I've done it. I'm sweating too. I just suddenly breathe.
Right, that was our trip to the 3 crosses on the hill,
and
the castle, and a little route round the old town.
Well,
So-
we're after the old town now, eh?
Yeah, that was our morning done. So we're gonna carry on now, have a look round and see
What's on the old town?
what we find, yeah. See you later.
Bye.